Humans learn from their experiences, and machines follow the instructions given to them by humans. But what if machines learn on their own based on the information fed to them and respond on their own? This is nothing but machine learning. ML has been described as future of technology by even the top minds on earth. Sundar Pichai described AI as even more important than fire and electricity. Bill Gates says a breakthrough in machine learning would be worth 10 Microsofts. So, what exactly is machine learning? As described in layman language, it's nothing but automating automation. The core idea is to build systems that have ability to automatically learn from data and to improve the experience without being explicitly programmed. Next question that arises is how this course is gonna be useful to you. First of all, it will help you identify the ML problems. Next, you would be better able to classify these into correct ML category and choose the correct direction to move on to solve them. We'll be covering the basic concepts of machine learning along with best ML techniques and practices. All this will be accomplished by solving the real-world ML problems, all in classroom and guided lab sessions. Last but not least, here we have a standard flow of a ML model where we take in some input in the form of training data, extract useful information from it in the form of features, use them to predict results, and also keep on using these results to further improve the system via evaluation metrics. Goodbye. Hope to see you on the course.